Today we are diving into a crucial topic that affects millions worldwide. Kidney health is often overlooked until symptoms arise. But did you know that what you drink can significantly impact your kidneys? Your kidneys are vital organs that filter waste from your blood. Certain drinks can overload them, especially if they are already under stress from kidney disease. So what are these drinks that could be putting your kidneys at risk, and why are they so harmful? Sodas and carbonated beverages. Have you ever wondered how your favorite sodas and carbonated beverages might be affecting your kidney health? The relationship between these drinks and renal function is complex. Firstly, the high phosphorus content in many sodas, especially the dark colored varieties, is a significant risk factor. Phosphorus additives are absorbed more efficiently than natural sources. This can lead to hyperphosphatemia, particularly harmful in kidney disease. The high sugar content in sodas is concerning sugary drinks consumption and a heightened risk of chronic kidney disease. This is due to exacerbation of obesity and diabetes conditions closely linked with kidney health. Energy drinks. Energy drinks, popular for their energizing properties, can be particularly harmful to individuals with kidney disease. One major concern is their elevated caffeine levels. The high caffeine consumption can cause dehydration. This is a significant issue for those with kidney disease, as their kidneys may already be functioning suboptimally. Additionally, caffeine is notorious for rising blood pressure, which can further harm already weakened kidneys. The sugar content in energy drinks is another crucial factor. Energy drinks can also disturb the body's electrolyte balance, impacting key minerals like sodium and potassium. This is particularly crucial for kidney disease patients whose kidneys may not be effective in managing these electrolytes. An imbalance in electrolytes can lead to further kidney complications and other health issues. Fruit juices with added sugar. Fruit juices with added sugars, while often perceived as healthy, and can adversely affect individuals with kidney disease. The high sugar content of these beverages is a primary concern. Consuming high amount of sugar can lead to development and progression of kidney disease. This is especially relevant for diabetic patients with poor glycemic control. Is a key risk factor for diabetic nephropathy, a leading cause of kidney disease. Additionally, the excess caloric content in sugary fruit juices contribute to obesity, a major risk factor for chronic kidney disease. Additionally, high phosphorus levels in the body can cause bone and cardiovascular problems in people with kidney disease and accelerate the disease progression. Lastly, the dietary acid load contribute to certain fruit juices, particularly those with added sugars, can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. Iced tea. Iced tea is a popular beverage, particularly in warmer months, has several aspects that can affect the health of individuals with kidney disease. The primary concern with iced tea is its high oxalate content. Oxalates, naturally compound found in various foods, are abundant in tea. For those with kidney disease, high oxalate levels can be problematic as their kidney may struggle to filter these compounds effectively, leading to the potential formation of kidney stones. Research has linked high oxalate intake to an increased risk of calcium oxalate kidney stones. A common type of kidney stones, commercially prepared iced tea, often contain high levels of added sugars and calories. This excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain and obesity, known risk factor of chronic kidney disease. Have you come across any drinks that you think should be on our kidney unfriendly list? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.